Hello, beautiful being. Welcome to this video and welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. My name is Ella and I'm a truth embodiment guide and a truth alchemist. And truly it is my mission in this lifetime to activate truth inside you and to guide you in experiencing, embodying, and expressing the truth of who you are and what you came here to do in this lifetime. So I'm really excited to be here on this video with you and to invite you into my energy field. Today in this video, I want to talk to you about knowing. Because truly one of the most confronting things that I've had to face on the spiritual awakening journey, specifically since my Kundalini awakening has really been a huge part of my life. This confronting thing that I've had to face is that I don't know it all. And it's funny because we as human beings, we're always like, I know that, I already know that. But do you truly know with a capital K? Because knowing something in your mind does not equate to true knowing that happens in your body. And so often what we do in our life is that we've learned to put on this protection field, this protection shield of, I know that already. I know how to do that. No, I know. I got to figure it out. I know. Don't tell me. Tell me something I don't know. I know that. We slap on these layers and layers and layers of I knows so that we don't feel unworthy, so that we don't feel not good enough, so that we feel accepted, because we are afraid of what would happen if we didn't know something. Now, what I've learned is that there are so many things that I intellectually thought I knew. I'm like, I know surrender. I know letting go. I know being present. I know loving myself. I've read them all in a book. I know it. I know becoming an energetic match to my desires. But true knowing does not exist in the mind. True knowing happens in the body. And it is okay for you to not truly know all of these things yet. It's what you came here to experience for a lifetime. What is important is the meaning that you attribute to not knowing something. Because if you are attributing the meaning of, if I don't know this, then I'm not good enough. Me not knowing this means I'm a failure. Then you will continue to put on layers and layers of I know, when really you don't know. And it's your obsession with appearing that you know it all that is going to hold you back from truly knowing, from truly experiencing the power that you are. Like I said, this has been one of the most confronting things for me to experience on my spiritual journey is putting my hands up and going like, I don't know. I don't know it all, and yet I do know enough today in every single moment now to show up, to serve, to be of service. But I don't have to know it all. And it's okay for me to accept. It's okay for me to say that I don't know it all. And so instead of seeing you not knowing something, you not fully have embodied something as, I'm not good enough, I'm unworthy, I should have known that. Can you simply see the not knowing as an opportunity to know? As an opportunity to embody the thing that you do not know yet at a deeper level, instead of making it mean something about your worthiness, instead of making it mean that you're not good enough. There is so much beauty in opening yourself up to not knowing, to being wrong. Because if you knew everything, you're like, I know that already. I know how to let go. I know how to manifest. I know how to think positive thoughts. I know how to manage my emotions. And you still don't have what you want. Isn't that more frustrating if you know it all and you're doing all the right things and things still aren't working? Give yourself the space, the room to not know, and don't have it mean anything about you and your capabilities and what's available for you. Simply about creating the space of, I'm willing to accept that I might not know it all. I'm willing to accept that I might have been doing certain things that are not in alignment. And I'm willing to know at a deeper level. Because when you surrender yourself to that knowing, that is where miracles are created. That is where you allow the divine to intervene. If you're constantly like, I know that, I know that, I know that, I know. The divine and source is going to be like, okay, they know. They've got it all figured out. Don't need to say anything. Give yourself the gift of not knowing. You know enough now to do something, to be of massive service, and you don't have to know it all. You don't need to know it all. You don't know it all. And that is the beauty of this experience called life, is that you are constantly unraveling more and more of the things that perhaps you thought you once thought you knew, but really you haven't deeply known with a capital K and embodied in your being. That is the beauty of this journey. So stop telling yourself that you know everything, or that you should know everything, or that you should know that by now. No more shoulding. No more using I know as a protection shield. You are stronger and more powerful in admitting in those moments when you don't know, because that is how you can create the opportunity for yourself to know at such deeper levels. That's going to serve your purpose, serve your being, and serve all those who need you in your truth. So that's it for this transmission. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you now know that you do not need to know it all, and that it is safe for you to know enough now and also not know it all. So if you enjoyed this transmission, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below in terms of what is your biggest takeaway from this video. And of course, if you know of anyone who needs to know that they do not need to know it all, make sure you share this video with them. I love you so much, and I will catch you in my next video.